Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. Here I've got an interesting green, someone said it's avocado green Hijet. This is a normal truck with just normal cab, but very unusual colour. It's a nice condition as well, very clean and tidy. You can see the tray hasn't been used for any work. It's got that mat to protect it, but even that's in nice condition. The drop sides, they're good too, no damage around the whole truck. Clean wheels, clean under the wheel arches, you see there, all very good. Someone's bought this obviously for a laugh, I think, but they've got themselves a good truck. Start the engine, you can see it's done 16,259 kilometers, which is about 10,000 miles. So got four-wheel drive, press the button there, that light comes on, and it's got automatic transmission, this one, so very easy to drive. Airbag on the driver's side. Will be sold in the US as an off-road use only vehicle, and it's got an enclosed cabin, so the aircon, heater keeps you cool, warm, whichever you need. You can keep dry as well, no wind can get in, and that compares well with ATVs that are available already. So this will be sold as an off-road use vehicle, as I mentioned. So this one will be shipped out to the US very shortly. Anyone interested in something like this exact one, there's not many like this in this color, so if you want to stand out, this is a good thing to look at. You could lift it up, put some big tires, just look pretty cool off-road. So have a look on our website, SamuraiMini.com, if you want to buy this truck, one like this, or you think you can sell some of these and be a distributor for us in the United States. We'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much for watching.